Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be talking over what's better, stainless steel or black stainless steel. Black stainless and then all the different colors that have been coming out in the market. We're trying to figure out which one's better. A lot of consumers are asking which one do I prefer? And we have a couple different categories that we're going to go through, and we're going to talk about these today. So the first one is just overall maintenance. Which one's easier to keep clean? This right here, this is a pretty generic stainless steel. They have smudge-proof stainless steel, but in my opinion, you're still going to see a little bit of smudges with the smudge-proof stainless steel. So this one, we try to keep them clean on the floors. It's going to be hard to see this in the camera. I'm going to touch this a few times, and you can see, especially if you have kids or you're going to have a lot of smudges to maintain, and that's just from me touching it a few times here. So that's the stainless steel. Let's go to a black stainless steel and see what it looks like. Here's a Samsung. This one's got a dent in the corner. That's from us. But I'm touching this. Really don't see a whole lot there. You have to get it really grimy for it to lose its shine. Now every manufacturer's got a different version of their black stainless steel. But the black stainless steel is typically shiny, but just has that matte look to it. So maintenance-wise, your black stainless steel is going to be the winner there. Second category, we're just going to talk about kitchen layout. So one thing, depending on your cabinets and lighting in the house, we have kind of a dark display. This is our Gen Air. This is a black display. If your cabinets are going to be darker, stainless steel is just going to look a little bit more appealing. It's going to kind of get the kitchen a little bit more pop. The black stainless steel is probably going to be a little bit too dark for this, especially these are really bright lights here. In the home, if you have lighter or less bright light, it's going to be even darker with a black stainless steel kitchen in there. So I would definitely pay attention to what color cabinets that you have when choosing between the two. So here's a black stainless steel with lighter cabinets. It looks really nice, really clean looking. I think if you had stainless steel in this, we'll see if I think we have a stainless steel display in a lighter cabinet. It's really bright and it shows those smudges even more. Actually, if we just pan this way, you can see someone just touched this KitchenAid. I don't know if you can get that on the camera. Right there, there's a couple marks right there. It's kind of a lighter display there, and you could definitely see those things just pop out even more if you have a lighter display. And the next category I want to kind of talk about is price. Which one's going to be kind of more affordable? And the honest answer is, if you're looking at a traditional manufacturer, your black stainless steel is usually going to cost anywhere between $100 to $200 more per appliance, depending on your price range. So you could expect to pay probably for 4-piece kitchen package at least $400 more for the black stainless steel. At Appliance Factory, we sell out-of-box scratch and dent stuff, so you could definitely find a better deal with us. A little scratch on the side, and it's going to save you a bunch of money. And it's going to be way below the cost of stainless steel and still have a full manufacturer's warranty. So with all the different colors coming out, one thing you want to look for are rebates. A lot of manufacturers, what they're going to try to do is they're going to incentivize trying to figure what is really working well in the market, and to do that, they're going to throw a rebate on something. Especially all the new different colors. I'd be careful with what you get. If it's a brand new color that's not black stainless steel, because black stainless steel, all your major brands, Whirlpool, GE, KitchenAid, all these different brands, you're going to have a good black stainless steel on the color that's going to be on the market for a long time. But there's a lot of manufacturers that are coming out with different versions of black stainless steel that didn't do too well. So down the road, trying to match or replace a dishwasher that broke on you or a refrigerator that broke, it's going to be a lot harder to find a matching piece for that exact set with the different color variations in there. So I would stick to traditional black stainless steel. You don't want to go any different variations of that. I'd be leery about that. And the rebates, they're good if you want a good deal. The rebates, I'd pay attention to what's out there, because a lot of manufacturers are promoting their black stainless because they want to see what does well. And right now, black stainless steel is really selling just as good as our stainless steel. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.